Right. Let me try to look for a site with animations. Animations website. Animated video compound. Yes. Right. Are you see what's happening on the screen?
Yes.
Yes, this is
Yes.
what we call animations. There's something like movements. You see, these are animations. So this is what we are going to do today. Yes, this is what we call animations. So this style is very important because you are going to use it when you are designing your website. Because this is a website. This is a website with animations. Let me check another one. Animation. You see what's happening on the screen?
I can't see your screen, full screen.
This half screen. Okay, let me use the big screen. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. So let's start our lesson. Please, Salem, don't write on the screen. Right. So we are going to start. I'm sure you know how to link our CSS to HTML. You already done this. So this is my index HTML. As you can see, right, this is the template, right? So I'm going to clear this like this.
I can't hear you.
Hello?
She said I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Can you hear me, please? Now?
I can't hear you. You can hear me?
Yes, I'm hear you.
I can't hear you.
Queen, are you hearing me?
I can't
hear you, sir.
Cooper, do you hear everyone?
Cooper, you can't hear me. I think it's your network.
That's better.
Okay, it's fine. Right. So this is my index HTML file. I'm sure everybody is aware on how to create this file. Right. So this is our HTML template. Right. So the first thing, please, you must be aware on how to link CSS on your HTML template. So, and don't forget, you link this on the header section. As you can see, this is the header section between. This is where you link, where we link our CSS, which is our style sheet, right? So let's link, just write link, and then opt this option, and then write style. You see, this is our style CSS, this one, right? Then if you point here, you see, it shows you follow link. If you click here, it comes inside our style CSS, which means we are now automatically link our CSS to HTML. So that if you style, if you make your styles here, it will also change the HTML. So please make sure you link it, right? So now, let's start. Let's write something like div. I just want to draw a box and write is a name inside the box, right? So this is div. Let me write hi like this, but let me give the name like class, so that I will able to style it. Let me name it box like this, right? You see. Then let's go to our style CSS to style it, right? So let me clear this so that you understand what's going on. Let me clear our CSS sheet, right? So this is our index form sheet. This is our style sheet, right? After we write on this index HTML, let's go into our style CSS, right? Don't forget, we use a class also, we name box. So we are going to start with a dot box, right? Open curly brackets like this, right? Remember, we draw a box. Remember, we want to draw a box, right? So let's put dimensions with like this. Let's put 300 pixel for our box. Height, right? Let's put also 300 pixel, right? But now you can't see our box was we are not yet given it a color. So let's put background color so that we can see our box like this. This is background color. Maybe let's use color red like this. You see, this is our box. So, Please, can you try to remove this drawing? There's a yellow drawing on the screen.
It's not mine. One was for Cooper Kwashed, this one. The one that is a big line. But the other one, I don't know who's it.
Cooper, can you remove the yellow drawing? Right. So let's move on. So let's try to increase the size of our
Press the green one, Cooper.
font size. This is let's do the font size. Maybe let's put 50 pixels. Okay, let's increase to something like 100 pixels.
Okay.
Like this. Okay, let's align our text on the center. So just say text alignment and center. Right. What else? Okay, let's increase our font size to 200. Right. Like this. And then let's maybe let's put 250. Like this. You see, this is our box written inside high. Right. Let's move on. So now right. Remember, we are going to do what we call animations. Right. So let's move on. So wherever you want to make animations, this is the key code we are going to use. We just press 8, Shift, and then press 8 button, or your pad with 2, Shift 8, like this. Then we write key, just opt key frames, this one, like this, then space, and right, slide left, because we want to move our box to the left, side left, like this, and then put curly brackets like this. Then let's start by from transition, not transition, but transform is, then translate like this. Let's put, okay, let's put 100 pixel like this. Let's use 100% like this. Then here let's put x-axis, because we want to start with, we just want to move this object to the left, but x-axis, I'm sure you remember at school we are doing mathematics, there's what we call x-axis, which is horizontal movement, and there's what we call y-axis, which means vertical movement. But now we want to start with the horizontal movement. So, which means that's why we write here translate x, which means this box is going to move slide left 100%. Right. So then we comes here and gives our animation name. Then we write animation, opt this animation name here. Right. This animation is called slide left, like this. Right. But it's not yet moved because we are not yet given a time frame. So now we are going to put time. So let's put animation duration. Let's start with 1 second. 1 second. You see what's happened? Let's put 2 seconds. You see, there's a movement from the left along x-axis. So you can increase the time duration. Let's put 3 seconds. It's now move slow. So which means if you put 1 second, it's move faster. If you put 2 seconds, it's now increased the speed. If you put let's say 4 seconds, it's now move slow. If you put 5 seconds,
I can't
it's
hear
now
you.
slow.
But what about put 10 seconds?
Okay, let's put 10 seconds.
I can't hear anyone.
Hey, you cannot hear anyone.
You see, it's moving very slow, very slow. If we put 15 seconds like this, this is what we call animation. But the name of this animation is slide left. It's slide left. You see, so we can change. Let's change. Let's come to our key code here and increase 100% and put 300%. We want to see what's going on. Look. Okay, let's reduce time and put 5 seconds.
I can't hear you.
You see what's happening?
Yeah, but can you put 50 seconds?
50 seconds, but 50 seconds is too much. It takes time to appear.
Okay, let's see.
Look,
Look,
it's moving very slow.
it's okay. What about put 1 video?
I
Okay,
think
put 100.
I think it's good, Salem, if you practice on your own and play with it. Maybe you can put 100, 200, 1,000 or million.
No, just put 100 now.
But 100 it's very big.
I can't hear you.
I think Cooper, your network is not okay. We are waiting, Salem. Look, it's now very, very slow.
It's not that slow. It will come. Don't worry. It's okay. It's not even that slow. Slow is like this. But this is not that slow. I told you to put 1 billion, billion.
What were you guys saying?
You hear us?
Right.
Mhm.
So let's move on. Let's move on to our next animation. Right. So let's just
Almost there.
let's just copy our key code. Just copy and paste down there. You can write it from the start, but it will be fast to copy. So me, I'm going to copy the same key. But now, remember, this is a slide left. Now, we are going to do slide right. So we just change here and put right like this, and then remove from and put 2. And then don't forget to come here and change the name, because now we are now slide right. So we change here. Right. This. Look, direction. It's now opposite direction. Look. So let's start from 1 second. You see?
Let's start from 2 seconds.
This is 2 seconds.
Why is it going backwards?
It's now 3 seconds. 4.
Make it 1 minute.
1
1
minute is
1
60
minute
seconds.
is too much. Let's put 10 seconds.
Not fair at all. Put 60 minutes. Put 60 seconds, I mean.
We can also increase here up to, let's 400%.
Put 60 seconds.
60 seconds, Salim, it's too much, Salim.
Just put it, I want to see.
But there's a lot of animations you are going to enjoy. Look, it takes time. Okay, let me try to put 60, but it takes time. This is 60 seconds. Look, it's now moving very slow.
That's 1 minute.
So, which means you are going to use all this skill when you are making your websites. You are going to apply these animations on your website. So please listen carefully. Right. This is the second animation, what we call slide right. So let's move on to the next animation. You can write it from start, or you can just copy and paste down there like this.
Did we copy?
Now we want to do up, slide up. Then we come here and change the name of the animation, which is up, like this. Right, let's put 5 seconds. Right, let's change.
Putting up.
Yes, remember, up. If you want this box to move upwards, remember that the direction is now changed. From it's now y axis, so it means it's going to up from bottom upwards. So it's now y axis. So you come here and change, translate x and put y like this. You see, it's now move upwards. You see, you can put 100% here. going to move slow. We can put 300. It's going to move a little bit fast. You can put 500. It's going to move. Let's put 1 second here. It's now moving fast. Let's put 2. It's now moving fast. This is what we call slide up. Let's put 3. Yes. So this is what we call slide up animation. Let's move on to our next animation. You can write it from start, or you can just copy and paste, because we are using the same key code, this one. Then you can just come and change here, just put down 1, down, which means we are going to move from down, from top to bottom, right? And comes here, change the animation name, slide down like this. Slide down here, just change here, translate. You see, that's why it moves horizontal, because there's X. So we must remove X and put Y, so that it will move Y. X is like this. Then it still move from bottom to top. Just remove from and put 2 or 2 like this. Right? Let's play with the time here. 1 second. Down. Let's put 2. You see, it's now increased the speed. Let's put 3. You see, let's put 4. It's now start to slow down. Let's put 5. You see, let's put 10. Now move slow. So this is what we call slide down animation. So the trick part is you must be aware for this key code. Just play with this area, which is 300%, and you must be aware of translate either B, Y, or X. Also, here you must be aware to change either from or to. Right. Let's move on to our next animation. You can maybe you can write the code from the start, or you can just copy and paste. Like me, I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy and paste. Let me see which animation. Right. So let's do rotate. So you come see here and change, remove totally the slide left or the slide downwards or whatever. We are now want to do what we call rotate. So you just write rotate here, and comes here, give the animation name, rotate, like this, right? Then comes here, transforms, right? It's fine. Let's change. Let's remove translate and put rotate, like this. Rotate. Then put Z. Rotate like Z. Z, where is Z? Like this. Right. Let's remove from here. Maybe let's start with 100%. We want our box to rotate 100%. Then inside the brackets, now let's put 360 degrees. Remember, if you are rotating, you are making the circle. I'm sure you are doing mathematics. So 100 dig like this. Look what happened. What's happened? Look, it's now rotating.
That's
300 degrees
easy.
Celsius.
Rotate it 50, 100.
Right. Let's change. Let's play. Let's play with time. Like this.
Why are we playing with time? Wow, that's fast.
Look what's happening. Look. 1 second. Let's put 2. Let's put.
What about put 0 seconds? Yes.
If you put 0, nothing will happen like this. Nothing will happen.
Okay, put 100 seconds.
No, 100 is too much. Let's put 20.
Slowly, slowly, picking up the door. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
You see?
Slowly, picking
So
up
now,
the dolly. Slowly, slowly.
you see our box is rotating 360 degrees.
I am slowly.
But Salem, don't make a lot of noise. You see,
why?
our box was rotating 360.
Can I go to the washroom?
Okay, no problem. You can go. But
may you please put 60?
Sorry?
May you please put 60?
60 what? Degrees?
60 seconds.
All right, let me put 60.
Ah.
You see, it's rotating 360 degrees, which means a complete circle. I'm sure you know because you are doing mathematics.
Us are not learning degrees yet.
All right, so now we want our box to just rotate half and comes back to the starting point. So you comes here, and remove 100%. And put 50%. Look. Let me put 10 seconds so that it will be fast.
Yep. That was too fast. Why did it rotate back?
Let's put 5. You see, why is it goes back?
Annie is raising her hands. Annie. Any.
Yes, Annie.
Sir,
Yes.
may you please go to the index page.
Even Cooper's raising her hand.
Sorry. Come again.
So may you please go to the index?
All right.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes, thank you for something.
So which means on our next lesson, we are going to put an image and then place with an image inside. Are you done, Audrey?
Yes, sir. You can continue.
All right. And then Cooper?
Yes.
You raise your hand.
I don't have questions.
All right, it's
I
fine.
thought you said everybody must raise their hands.
All right. So listen. You see, if there is 100% here, it rotates 360 degrees to make a circle, but it can't come back to the starting point. But if you put 50% like what I did, I put 50% here. It rotates 360 degrees, but it comes back to the starting point. Let's see. Let me put 3 seconds. You see, it comes back to the starting point. Let me put 10 seconds. Yes. You see. Right. Let me put 25% here, like this. You see, let's put 100% again. Let's increase our time to quint. Right. I think let me put, I just want to see what's happening. If we put 180 here, okay, let's increase our time. Let's put maybe 10. It's just rotate a half circle, because 180 degrees, it's a half circle. But if you put 360 here, like this, 360, it's now rotate 360 degrees. Right. Let's move on to our next animation. Right. Just copy and paste. Right. We are now moving to an animation called grow. Grow. Then let's put here 100%. Let's put inside our code. Transform is fine. Okay, it's fine. Let's put scale here. Scale. Scale. Let's remove 300% and put our scale inside. Let's put 2, 2. Let's space. Then let's remove this one. Right. So we come back here and change our animation name. It's now grow like this. Look what's happening. You see, our box become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's now expanding. All right, let's reduce our time to 3 seconds. You see, let's put 4 seconds. Let's put 5 seconds. Let's put 8. Right. You see, the box became bigger and bigger and bigger. All right, let's remove 100% and put 50. Do you see what's happening? The difference. If we put 100% like this, look what's happening. Right, I'm going to put 50%. Look. Queen, tell me, what's the difference if you put 100% and put 50%? Queen, are you available?
Sir,
Tell me what's the difference if I put 100% and if I put 50%, what's the difference?
oh, sir, I didn't see. My laptop just stopped working for a bit. Wait, let me see first and then, yeah.
Hey, Matukudi, dream lesson, John. All right, Queen. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Right, I'm going to put 100%. Look, now I put 100%. So let me put maybe 10 seconds. Look. Right. I'm going to put 50%. What's the difference?
When it's 100%, 100%, it expands fully, and then when it's 50%, it expands halfway, and then it goes back to its position.
Okay. Do you see when it comes back, when it is 100%, it's just move quickly. But when it is
Yes.
50%, it comes
It
back
goes slow.
like contracting. Maybe I can give you an example. If you have a balloon and put pressure on a balloon, then if you put pressure, it expands. If you just put a small hole, it starts
It'll,
to contract bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit.
yeah.
But if it is like now 100%, it moves fast back to the position. Look,
Yes.
you see, but 50%,
Yeah.
that's the difference. All right, let's put 25. You see, so which means 25 and 50 is the same, but it's increased the speed. Let's put 20. Let's put 10. You see, this is what we call grow animation. Let's put 3. Let's put 5. 5. The scale, which is the size. Don't forget the scale. This is the size. You see, I increased the scale by putting 5, 5 instead of 2, 2. Look now, if you change our time here and put 8, look, grows bigger and then comes back to the original position slow by slow. What about if we put 1, 1, 1 on our scale like this? Then let's put here 8 again. All right. It's now stationary. Okay, let's put the other side. Let's put 5. Okay, let's put on this side 1 and put 5 on this side. Let's put 4. Okay, let's put 2 on this side. You see, so it's your duty to play with the scale or time or whatever. Let's move on to our last for today. Our last animation. Let's just copy and paste. Now we are going to do shrink. We are going to do shrink, right? Then let's put 100% outside, and then let's put scale. Then let's remove 300% and put 2. We want our object to be grow up to 2. Then let's give a name. Our name is now changed. It's now shrink. Right. So what is missing now? 2. Okay, let's remove this one. 100%. Okay, let's put 50. All right, let's reduce. We want to be shrink, not big, but small size. So let's put 0.5. Then put 0.5. Right. So let's change our time here and put 7. 7 seconds. 0.5. Transform. What's happening? Let's put 5.
Can we
What's
do
happening?
5 seconds?
What's happening now? What's happening now? What's happening now?
Can we?
Okay, let me put 100%. No, my object is not moving. Shrink. 5 seconds.
Can we do 5 seconds?
What?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. 5
5.
milliseconds.
Oh no. What's happening, man?
5 seconds, please.
5. Let me put 10. It's not moving. Shrink. 100% transform. 0.5. All right, let me put 50%. Let me put.
Sir, I noticed your mistake.
Where?
There is no semicolon after the round bracket.
You mean this side? Yes, it should. Yes, it's supposed to be.
There's no semicolon there. That's why it's
Yes,
not working.
I'm sorry. Yes, supposed to. Yes, there is no semicolon. There's no semicolon.
Oh,
All right, let me put 3 seconds. You see what's happening. It's just something like twinkling. All right, let me put 5.
20 milliseconds.
Hey, what's happening, man? All right. All right, let me remove this one. Remain like this. All right, let me put 0.5. Then put a comma here. Transform. Shrink. What? Shrink. I don't know what's happening to my box. Supposed to shrink. Supposed to shrink. It's supposed to shrink. All right. All right. No problem. It's fine. I'll find out where's the problem, and then I will show you tomorrow. It's supposed to shrink. No problem. No problem. It's fine. All right. It's fine. It's fine for today. Let's end here. So, we are going to. Sorry. Any question?